Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. The US has seen nearly 28,000 whooping cough cases this year. Here's what you need to know. The US has seen a surge in whooping cough, pertussis, cases, with over 25,000 cases reported for the second year in a row. This is another sign of the risks of declining vaccination rates. Whooping cough is a severe respiratory illness that can lead to hospitalization and even death, especially in young children. Symptoms include a prolonged cough, fever, and a characteristic whoop sound. Experts believe the rise is driven by falling vaccination rates, loss of population-wide immunity during the COVID-19 pandemic, and increased exposure as people return to shared indoor spaces. The CDC recommends routine vaccination for infants and children, as well as booster shots for adults and adolescents every 10 years. Vaccination during pregnancy can also provide some immunity to newborns. Treatment for whooping cough typically involves antibiotics, which can reduce contagiousness but do not change the course of the illness. Severe symptoms like shortness of breath require immediate medical care. Health officials are urging residents to ensure they are up to date on vaccinations, as declining vaccination rates are linked to the rise in cases of not just whooping cough, but also measles and chickenpox in some regions. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.